sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to make the green activity onboard light LED light blink on your Raspberry Pi. Now you may want to do this for different reasons, to pinpoint a particular Pi if you got a bunch of them grouped together or in a rack or whatnot. You can run this simple script and make the activity light blink every second or however much you want. So let's just get started. We can just make a file here and we'll just call it blink.py. Then we can just copy in the following code here, and I'll throw a link to my website in the description for this. But what this is going to do is import the OS, import the time, and we're going to turn on the LED and turn it off every second. Then it's going to turn on a second later. Now you can adjust this by changing the 1 to whatever you feel. And the range, this means it's going to blink 10 times and the script's going to stop. So for just the purpose of this video, we can just change that to a 5. Then we'll just do a Control X, Y, and enter to save. Then we can just run this. And now it's going to blink 5 times. Then it'll kick back to the user here. Alright, so now we're back. So it blinked 5 times and everything's good. So like I said, you can change this number to whatever you feel, and the how many seconds in between. So I'll go ahead and I'll add a little note in here like what's over here for here and here, and I'll throw a link in the description. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.